Hi, my name is Arinjay Kumar Jain. I'm a chartered accountant who has been advising various foreign companies in respect of international taxation over the last 24 years. I have assisted several clients on filing Form W-8BEN-E, both in India and in UAE. So first question is, what exactly is Form W-8BEN-E and why is it required? The answer is pretty simple. This is a form which is required by the US IRS to ascertain what is your tax status. Depending on that tax status and the nature of income that you may be receiving, whether it could be in the form of a service fee, royalty, interest, dividend, you need to make certain declaration as to what your company is. Are you having a tax registration number, etc. or not? Are you a pass-through entity or otherwise? Without this form, in most of the cases, if not all, the US customer is unlikely to remit the payment to you. And even though there is no tax treaty between US and UAE, whereby you can reduce the amount of taxes that you may have to pay, you still need to provide this form to your customer before they can make the remittance. When it comes to filing Form W-8BEN-E, there are four parts in this particular form. Part 1 deals with the identification of the beneficial owner, that is you. You need to provide the details of your company in terms of the address, etc. Your tax identification, which could be a UAE Corporate Tax registration or a VAT number, etc. Second, what you need to provide is whether you are a disregarded entity, meaning thereby that the profits which you earn are taxed in your hands or they are taxed in the hands of the shareholder or someone else. In the third part, you need to provide the details if you are claiming a tax treaty benefit. And the last part is the certification to the effect that whatever information you have provided, that is correct. All these information need to be provided correctly. In many cases, what people do is they do incorrect treaty classification, which may not be applicable for UAE companies. The entity classification could be incorrect, and that is something that may result in the rejection of form. We've been helping our clients prepare and file this form with US customers. If you are also looking for any support in this regard, feel free to contact us. You can scan the code in the video, or else you can even click on the description link given in the description section and reach out to us.